Welcome back to TechDazzle. As always, you can check out the description below for additional information after watching this video. Let's get right to it. Ever found yourself knee-deep in a project, only to realize that the battery you need is on the other side of the job site, plugged into a charger? And worse, it's not compatible with the tool in your hand? This is the everyday hassle of using multiple power tools from different brands, each with its own unique battery system. It's frustrating, it's inefficient, and let's be honest, it's a waste of both time and money. Enter the Power for All Alliance. This isn't just another industry buzzword, it's a game-changing collaboration among some of the biggest names in power tools. At its core, the Alliance aims to create a standardized battery platform that works across tools from different brands. Imagine being able to swap batteries between your Bosch drill, your Makita impact driver, and your Gardena lawnmower without a second thought. That's the vision. Now let's talk about the key players in this alliance. Bosch, a global powerhouse in engineering and electronics, is one of the driving forces behind this initiative. Bosch also owns other brands like Dremel and Skill, which are now part of this shared battery ecosystem. Joining Bosch is Gardena, a well-known name in garden care, and Gloria, which specializes in sprayers and other garden tools. But it doesn't stop there. Wagner, a leader in surface finishing equipment, is also on board, along with Rapid, known for staplers and tackers. Einhell, another major player known for affordable yet reliable tools, is contributing to the initiative. And let's not forget Flymo, particularly famous in the UK for their hover lawnmowers, and Steinel, known for heat guns and sensor tools. These companies have come together under the Power for All Alliance to break down the barriers between their tools. You might be wondering, how close are they to making this dream of a unified battery system a reality? The good news is that the Alliance is well on its way. They've already standardized the 18-volt battery platform, which is compatible across an increasing range of tools from all the participating brands. This isn't just talk, it's happening now. Tools are rolling out, and users are starting to feel the benefits on the job site and at home. The Power for All Alliance is a worldwide effort, meaning that no matter where you are, the tools and batteries from participating brands are designed to work together seamlessly. The only thing that may vary depending on your location is the charger's plug type and voltage. While you might need a charger that matches your local electrical standards, the batteries themselves are universally compatible across all participating brands, regardless of the country you're in. But achieving full standardization across all brands and tools is still a work in progress. The Alliance is actively working to expand their range of compatible tools, aiming to make this battery platform the industry standard. As more brands join and contribute, the closer we get to a future where you only need one type of battery for all your power tools. For tradespeople, this alliance is a potential game changer. Imagine reducing the number of batteries and chargers you have to lug around. Think about the savings, not just in money but in space and time. The simplicity of a unified battery system could make your workday a lot more efficient, letting you focus on getting the job done rather than worrying about whether you've got the right battery for the task. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. By reducing the need for multiple batteries, the Power for All Alliance is also helping to cut down on electronic waste. Plus, with their focus on battery recycling, the environmental footprint of your tools could be significantly reduced. Economically, investing in this system could lower your overall costs, as you won't need to buy multiple batteries and chargers for different tools. Looking forward, the Alliance has big plans. As more companies see the benefits of this shared platform, we can expect more brands and more tools to join the ranks. This expansion could ultimately lead to a near-universal battery system across the trades, making it easier than ever to switch between tools without missing a beat. So, whether you're on a construction site, working in your garage, or out in the garden, the Power for All Alliance is setting the stage for a simpler, more efficient future in power tools. And that's something worth getting excited about. Remember, you can find more information in the description below. We'll keep you posted as the Power for All Alliance moves forward. Thanks for watching TechDazzle. Until next time, keep your tools sharp and your batteries fully charged.